If you have landed on this video, it is because you are probably wondering whether or not to use the services of this particular web hosting. This video provides information about customer reviews all around the web and answers a few important questions, like what is the average customer satisfaction, and is this hosting good for the location you are interested in? All you have to do is open the link in the description and see the information in our detailed review about this company or any other company you are interested in. Here, you can find details about the total reviews collected from the most trusted sources, and then you can see if the average score from all those reviews is good or bad. Here you can see the average score of this company scored based on the particular number of reviews which were gathered. But what if you wanted to know the reviews from customers in a specific country? It's easy. Let's scroll down and find out. Here you can see that customers have left reviews from Germany, United States, UK, and other countries. You can also see good reviews from some countries, and not so good for other countries. You can do the same with any other country in which you wanted to see the customer opinions and compare the scores in each location. And there you go, guys. This is the best way to check if this hosting is actually a good company for your specific location and other information about it as well. If you want to check its detailed review, do not forget to click the link in the description. If you are not sure this is your hosting choice, you can use our web hosting finder tool, which is also linked in the description. If you enjoyed this video, we would appreciate it if you hit the like button. If you enjoy content about web hosting, subscribe to our channel for the latest guides, reviews, and all things hosting. Thanks for watching.